good, everybody? It's your boy Jersey Mike. I'm back at it with another one. Today is a spur of the moment, last minute BMW car meet that Dre just hit me up about. So just got to the car, about to, ride out to Johns Creek, I think is where it's at. I don't know anything about this meet. I don't know if it's regular or not, but we're gonna go check it out for the first time today. So catch us over there.
I'm gonna throw my memories away. Now I feel I'm done, and I'm cursed by every day till my time is gone. I've never felt this way before, and now I know this all for sure. I won't forget your last betray. I'll never forget this day. Forget this day. I'll never forget this day. Forget this day.
This E36 is so clean. So clean. Look at the AMOLED interior. Oh, this thing is sick.
The dude who sold me the shift knob, he's got the body style.
All right, guys. So I still got the stock 5-speed shifter, right? Tell me what you guys think a dildo shifter. Let's see. That'll be the height difference. So this is what it would look like. I get a black one, not this baby blue. I just happened to take it from Dre because this is his new shifter. But he told me where I can get one like this, just in a different color. They're 3D printed, all custom made. So I think I like it. I like it. It adds height. It's easier to get to, and the travel kind of feels a little bit longer. It's like, do I go with the longer knob or go with the shorter knob for the short shift feel that comes with the ZHP shifter? I don't know, but I like this shifter. I'd probably do this for a little bit. So you guys let me know, what do you guys think about this style shifter? Should I go with it or no? Drop a comment.
No, it's like a fluid.
Yeah, it is
I
like a blue.
It's purple.
Oh, that shit is hard. That's clean.
It looks black. That's cool.
Love the color, man. He is the only one
Every E36
I know
has
that hates this E36 wing. Of all
Every
time.
E36 dude boy has that.
It ain't my favorite of all time, but I like it. It's not bad. Like, this guy's a hater. Would you guys rock the E36 spoiler?
It's a cool thing. I don't like this part. It's that sunlight right there. That was for the first time last night. They meets are really good. They keep trying to
That one random 350 that decided to join the Beamers. Bye, super clean E30. Oh, those things are clean. Man, this thing is so clean. This body kit. wildest body kit. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. And it's riding so clean, like so low, and God, this thing is so clean. So you gonna beat the G35? You can beat the G35. He can't beat you? He can't beat you.
I see how
He can't beat you.
He's not
Dog.
pulling.
Dando, run. We got a run set up, bro. You gotta beat this E36. Look, it's the white one. It's the white one. I'm gonna show it to you right there. Right there. Look, he calling you out, bro. He calling you out, bro. You say you're not pulling on him.
You're not pulling.
Dog. Run him. Run him.
The meet was pretty cool, man. First time being out here. The meet was pretty cool. Shout out to this guy.
Lame as fuck, though.
Shout out to this guy for letting me know about it.
Only car that was lit was the two E36s, one with the S52 swap, and then the other, no, actually S54 swap. Then the
800
other one,
horsepower, big turbo.
no, the other one was just straight S54 swap with a custom-made intake manifold so big you could put your fucking head in it.
But see, that thing is clean right there. Hold on, right there. That thing is clean.
Oh yeah, that E36.
That thing is really clean.
That shit is lit though, but
Yeah.
I'm on some hot boy shit because I come from 240s, so I need big body kits with wide aggressive flares.
And turbo kits.
Nigga, turbo up everything, nigga. Fuck wrong with you.
All right, so we're rolling out from this meet, guys. Just finna roll over to the gas station right across the street with Dre, and yeah, catch us on this drive home. Dre's little E36 sitting so low. Ooh, looking like a little turd. Dump city bitch, dump city bitch. Which, yo, E36 or E46? Which one? E36, E46. Which one? I like these to drift and have fun in. And I like these to cruise and be a good day with. Y'all, so there you have it. That was the footage. That was the meet. It was pretty cool. It was pretty chill. I had a good time. I'm interested to see if those are the same people every week or if there's really some real ATL Beamer enthusiasts out there that come out that just weren't there today. So, you know what I'm saying? I'll be back. I'll be doing it again. So until the next episode of Blacklisted, it's your boy Jersey, and I'll catch you on the next one.